Welcome, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we're going to delve into the world of fault tree analysis, a powerful tool that helps maintenance and reliability teams uncover the root causes of common issues. Stick around and learn how this systematic approach can transform your problem-solving process and prevent small issues from becoming big disasters. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key components of a fault tree analysis and how to conduct one in 6 simple steps. So let's get started. Imagine this. You're facing a challenge, an issue, or a problem that has been bothering you or your work for the past week, month, or even a year. It could be a leaking tap, a flickering fluorescent light bulb, or a machine that hasn't been performing as it should. You'd love to know what's causing these issues and fix them, but somehow it always gets pushed to the bottom of the to-do list until disaster strikes. This is where a fault tree analysis comes in. So, what is a fault tree analysis? It's a systematic approach to identifying the root cause of an event using a fault tree diagram. Think of it as a roadmap that helps you transform available information into a concrete plan of action. By providing a logical sequence, a fault tree analysis helps you uncover the exact causes of the event in question. And when used in conjunction with other analysis methods like FMEA, it can provide a more comprehensive picture for maintenance decisions. Now, you might be wondering, why should you use a fault tree analysis, especially when it's a new process and your current system seems to be working fine? Well, the reason is simple. It helps you discover the true roots of the problems you're facing. It's particularly useful in safety and reliability engineering, as it's one of the best ways to identify flaws. Some of the ways you can use a fault tree analysis include understanding the series of events leading to a system or machine flaw, demonstrating compliance with safety rules, minimizing resources spent by the company, and assisting in system reviews or redesigns. So what makes a fault tree analysis work? It runs on 3 main components: the diagram of the process, the events that have occurred, and the gates, or the connections between events. The fault tree diagram is the first piece of the puzzle. It's essentially a flowchart. The analysis is performed by drawing logical deductions that start with the failure event and trace back to the root cause throughout the diagram. Next, we have the events. In a fault tree analysis, an event is an occurrence in the system. They can be categorized into input events, which lead to other events, and output events, which are the result of input events. Finally, we have the gates. Events are connected using and or gates. If 2 input events cause an output event, they're connected with an AND gate. If only one input event leads to the output event, they're connected with an OR gate. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into how you can conduct a fault tree analysis in 6 steps. First, define the top event. This is the starting point for the diagram. The more precise your starting event is, the smoother the process will be. Second, understand the system. Gather as much information as possible about the system. Ask questions like, what are the different components of the system? Is the failure mechanical, electrical, or software related? What do the schematics show? What are the code requirements? Third, list potential causes of the top event. Come up with 5 potential causes. Estimate the probability of each causing the event and put the causes in order of likely probability. Fourth, draw the fault tree diagram. Starting with the top event, map out the different potential causes and connect each step with and or gates. Fifth, assess risk. Assign a risk and probability level to each base event. This step can get complicated, so rely on as much data as possible. Project your existing data into the future and consult with the people who know the systems best. Finally, mitigate risk. Take steps to mitigate the highest risk and highest possibility events. This step should naturally flow from the previous ones. Now let's look at some of the benefits of a fault tree analysis. It accounts for human error, focuses on one fault at a time, and highlights important system elements contributing to the failure. Other benefits include its systematic approach, easy implementation, and its ability to complement your existing analysis toolkit. So, how does a fault tree analysis compare to other analysis methods like FMEA and event tree analysis? A fault tree analysis uses a top-down approach starting with a failure event, while FMEA employs a bottom-up approach starting with all potential failure modes. They examine the same event from different perspectives, making them a great pair when deeper analysis is required. On the other hand, an event tree analysis focuses on answering particular questions in a logical, straightforward way and is typically used in finance, banking, and other specialized industries. In conclusion, a fault tree analysis is a powerful tool in the maintenance management field and beyond. It provides a scalable, repeatable process of discovery that's fairly easy to learn and implement. However, it does rely on accurate data and smart predictions. If the beginnings of the process are rushed or hurried, the whole system is apt to fall apart. But for the companies that invest in it, they can discover the true root of the challenges they are facing. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the power of fault tree analysis, its key components, and the 6 steps to conduct one. Remember, this tool can be a game changer for maintenance and reliability teams. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your team, visit upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, keep striving for excellence in all you do.